What if someone could hijack your AI assistant without you ever knowing? Not science fiction. Not a future threat. It's happening right now, and it has a name: prompt injection. And if you use any AI tool connected to the internet, emails, documents, or websites, you are already exposed. Let me explain exactly how this works and why it's one of the most underreported security threats of 2025. So here's the setup. You open your AI assistant, maybe it's a GPT-4 powered tool, maybe it's a Claude-based agent, and you ask it to summarize an email or browse a website for you. Seems harmless, right? But here's the problem. That email or web page can contain hidden instructions written in white text on a white background, or embedded in invisible HTML elements that your eyes never see but the AI reads perfectly. Those hidden instructions can tell the AI to ignore your original request and instead do something completely different. Researchers at Stanford, Carnegie Mellon, and ETH Zurich have all independently documented this attack vector. A 2024 paper from the University of Wisconsin tested 17 popular AI-integrated tools and found that 14 out of 17 were vulnerable to some form of prompt injection. That's over 82%. Now what can an attacker actually make the AI do? Researchers have demonstrated cases where injected prompts caused AI agents to forward private emails to external addresses, extract calendar data and send it to a third-party server, change the tone of outgoing messages to spread misinformation, and even trick the AI into approving financial transactions in automated workflows. In 2024, a security researcher named Johan Reberger publicly demonstrated a real attack against a major AI email plugin where a malicious email caused the AI to exfiltrate the user's contact list through a crafted link. The AI didn't warn the user. It just did it. This is what makes prompt injection so dangerous compared to traditional hacking. You don't need to compromise a server. You don't need malware. You just need the AI to read your malicious content. And because large language models are designed to be helpful and follow instructions, they are fundamentally trusting. The OWASP Foundation, which is the gold standard for web security guidelines, officially added prompt injection to their top 10 list for LLM applications in 2023. It holds the number 1 spot. Above data poisoning. Above model theft. Number 1. Now you might think, well, companies are fixing this. And yes, there is active research. Techniques like instruction hierarchy, where the model is trained to prioritize user commands over external content, are being developed. Anthropic published work on this in late 2024. OpenAI has internal sandboxing efforts. But here's the honest truth from the researchers themselves: there is currently no complete defense. It's a cat-and-mouse game at the model level. So what can you actually do right now? First, never give your AI assistant autonomous email access without reviewing what it sends. Second, be very skeptical of AI agents that browse the web on your behalf, especially on unknown sites. Third, if you're a developer building on top of any LLM API, treat all external content as untrusted input, the same way you'd handle SQL injection in traditional web development. Separate your system instructions from user-provided data as hard as you possibly can. Fourth, check whether your AI tool vendor has published any response to prompt injection. If they haven't even mentioned it, that's a red flag. The AI tools getting the most attention right now are the agentic ones, the tools that take actions for you. And those are exactly the tools where prompt injection does the most damage. The smarter and more autonomous your AI assistant becomes, the more important it is that you understand this attack. Because the model doesn't know it's being manipulated. And neither will you.